Hi everyone. We are in Kerala now, and we are in Thiruvananthapuram, and we are going on train. So we are just going across the state in Kerala, and we are just going to explore the new train here. So the train lasts approximately like 8 hours, but I'm just going on a like 4-hour ride in economy class. So let's have a look at how it is. This is the entrance to the main station in the capital of Kerala. That's Thiruvananthapuram Central, and these are the services from here. So you can just pause anytime to have a look. So this is the board here. Train the Vande Bharat service to Kasaragod. I have been told that this is just a resemblance of the XPT that we have back home in Australia. So let's have a look in how true it is. So first of all, let's have a walk around the cars here. So this is the first car, that's the engines that we call here in India, and each train has a 14 car configuration. So the middle is the executive class, and if you go in economy, it's like 3-2 configuration, and in economy class it's 3-2, but the executive class is like 2-2 configuration here. So let's have a look. So this is car, I'm not sure, I can't see a thing here. The specialty of the train here in India is like we have a lot of we have the board here, so this is the difference here. That's my dad over there. That's my dad. So I am supposed to be in C6, but what I'll do is I'll just walk through the entirety of the cars, and this is 11. Sorry, 9. So the train here in India is like too long, because like they don't serve a lot of people here. This is the executive class here in this. So we'll have a look in like a couple of days. I'll just make another video that I'll just go on the executive class. See that? C7. And this is supposed to be my car here. I'll just go to the other end, and we'll just have a look. We are just about to reach the other end. It's been a long walk in the morning here. So they have been loading all the motors and all in the service. Finally, we are at the other end of the train. So it took like 4.5 minutes to walk the entirety of this thing. It's a very long. It's very, very long. And this is the leading car of this service. The leading car, so that will lead us to Kasaragod, and these are the staff that's working on the train. Just walked like 4.5 minutes to the station across the service here. So what I'll do is I'll just enter into one of the cars here, and I'll just walk around to my car and find my mom here, and let's see. About the service. This is, I think, car C1. I'm in C6. So this is like C2 configuration here, and they have all the screens and all that. It's new, and this is all the indicators here. I think they are loading something stuff. So I was walking through the service, and the entrance was locked, jammed here. So I do deeply. I do get out and just reboard from the service. I think this is. I'm not sure what it is. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is C3. So this is like C3, I think. Again, it's C4. I had to walk 2 cars across. So you see this area here. This is where we load the food for us in the train. Sorry. And I think that should be the next carriage. I think this is the Western style closet. These are the dunnies here, and this closet. So I'll just go through it when I'm on board. So I'm supposed to be in this car somewhere. I think that should be us. I think we should be passing through executive class right now. So they have much space here in 2-2 if you have a look. I'll be back here one day, but today is not the day, hopefully. This is another car of the executive class here. I think they have a big buffet car here. It's too long here, so I think hopefully this will be last car. Let's today walk through outside and inside the train. So let's have a look at how the services are in this on board. So let's begin with toilets. So these are the handicap accessible toilets here. So we have the baby change here, and we have the classic western toilet. We have a hand dryer in between, and a soap dispenser, and a wash and a washing and this one, and we have mirror, and we also have some guardrail for those in the wheelchair to breathe it. And the most interesting part is it's not automatic. It's like we have to use this up and down. So if you want to lock it, we just lock it here. That's the most interesting thing I found in this one, in the service. So let's have a look. And so we have two types of toilets here. First one is an Indian toilet. So that's how it is. And they have buttons for flushing, and a I don't know what to call for, just spray or something like that. And this is for, I don't know what it's for. And they have a hand dryer here, and a soap dispenser, and a soap. And this one is automatic. So we just it's more advanced than last time. And we have this a whole mirror, and a pipe here for us. We have the Western style here. Let's have a look at how Western style is. So Western style is this toilet in India, and they have this toilet and they have flush, and again it just ski. It's very popular here in India. And we have I don't know what this is. So it's called fire. Yeah, I think it's fire extinguisher or something. And they have window and a hand dryer and soap dispenser and a this one, and we have a pipe and a bin. That's the common one. They have bin here in for every washroom. Close now, and they have this one. And the train and the service is departing. And the service is departing from Trivandrum. So the service just left. Service just left Trivandrum, and we just have a look how it is. So we just starting our journey. So we just starting to pick up speed here from Trivandrum, and I think it's faster than normal trains here. Tray table here. So this is our tray table to have the food here when it arrives. And we have some storage area. And on entry you get a complimentary bottle of water. I hope they give us more. So I might need more than 1 liter to survive the entire trip. So let's have a look. They also have the footrest here and all. And on entry we get complimentary newspaper if you want. We have the Times of India here, and they have a full edition of Times of India. And that's the paper. It's too dark here, and it's supposed to be raining. So I'll just have a look outside the window when it's when we have daylight. So until then I'll just pause it and I'll just show you if there's some interesting views, or when it's daylight or when we have a station. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like 3 lights are overhead, and we don't have any aircon or something, so it's a centralized aircon. The first snack of the day is a masala tea. We have the instant. We have Jay's instant premix tea, and we have a Mickey biscuits and a sanitizer. We are about to make a masala tea here on the train. So we just open the tea bag. We just open the tea premix, and then we just put it into the water. They provide hot water and the tea if you book a meal. I think you pay some things extra. I'll talk to you about that towards the video. So once that's all, you just stir it like this one. And there you have it. They have the masala tea here. So I just had some cookies here that they gave, and we are about to drink our masala tea that we just made. It's very good. It's a bit warm, but it's much needed as it's like now it's like 5:43 in the morning, and I just got up at 3 o'clock in the morning to make this train. So this is as English first. And we have the next station here. That's Kollam. And that's in Malayalam, the station board. And the message is in Malayalam right now. And we have the station board in Hindi. So all three languages in India is shown here. And they have the message in no smoking sign and they have the route map over there. So that's all the stations here. That's all the stations here, and they have the messages in Hindi. And if you look at the screen here, you can also see you can see that train is moving at like 109 kilometers an hour. Yeah, that's about it. Second river of the morning. So that's our first stopping station, that is Kollam.
सावधानी से उतरे।
So the one thing I don't know is
Please deboard carefully. Only after the train has come to a complete halt.
the only thing I don't know is which side is the platform on. So it can be either side. So I don't know if it's on my side or the other one. I'm not too sure.
നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും നിങ്ങളുടെ കൈവശമുള്ളതായി ദയവായി ഉറപ്പാക്കുക.
So we are just approaching our first station. So I don't think I think it's on the same side. Happy days. So we have people walking on the tracks. It's much rare in over there. So it's
ഇന്ത്യൻ റെയിൽവേയിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്തതിന് നന്ദി.
that's our first stop. That's Kollam. So that's our second. So that's the other service. I don't know which one is it.
भारतीय रेल के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद।
I don't know which one is that. I can't read that. So the trains here have all the notice board where it's going to on it. So because of the time of day, I can't read where the train is. So Kollam is our first stop. It's Kollam Junction. So we are just leaving Kollam. At the time now is 6:13 a.m. So that's the one thing that I like about this train is the speaker speed on departure. So it says like 150 kilometers per hour, and we just departed right now in like a few seconds back from Kollam. In 44 seconds, it picked like 150 kilometers per hour. So it's huge, I think. next stop is Kottayam. We have like 150 kilometers something.
ട്രെയിൻ പൂർണ്ണമായി നിർത്തിയതിനു ശേഷം മാത്രം ദയവായി ശ്രദ്ധാപൂർവ്വം ഇറങ്ങുക.
Please board carefully only after train has come to a complete halt. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
So we are approaching the platform here. It's on the left in the direction of travel. That's Kottayam.
ഇന്ത്യൻ റെയിൽവേയിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്തതിന് നന്ദി.
भारतीय रेल के साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. Thank you for traveling with Indian Railways. Doors are closing.
So we have a guy who is walking on the track. And there's another one sitting on the track. What a sight to behold. They have a bunch of family on the track. cheese, we have an egg, and we have a bread for the omelette here, and also we have some we also have some choco pie for the dessert. All in all, it seems alright. It seems alright to me. So let's see how we are trying our food here on the train. It seems like it's the cutlet here that they offer on board. So this is the cutlet. I think I booked for the non-veg cutlet food. Not sure. We will have some veggies on board. So that's the cutlet here. It's alright. It's very good. Very good the cutlet. And now let's try some scrambled eggs. Omelette. Not scrambled egg, omelette. So this is our omelette. So very good. It's spicy, and they have some chilies on it. So it is very spicy. So that's about it. I enjoyed the meal. Next stop on the service is Ernakulam, which is like the midway point, almost midway point between the state of Kerala.
ട്രെയിൻ പൂർണ്ണമായി നിർത്തിയതിനു ശേഷം മാത്രം ദയവായി ശ്രദ്ധാപൂർവ്വം ഇറങ്ങുക.
So we have a lot of people who are disembarking here. So this is the next stopping station. That is Ernakulam Junction. Or city, I don't know. Yeah, town here. Ernakulam town. They have a stall for some food and some waiting room and another stall and some cops and some booking office and all that. And look at all the people coming from upstairs. There's a lot of people here.
दरवाजे खुल रहे हैं। Doors are opening.
One thing that I noticed about the stop in Ernakulam is like this train is slowed down significantly before approaching Ernakulam, and we had a wait. We just waited for like around 5 or 10 minutes before the stop. So this is our look at all the people coming in. Lot of people going off the train.
बंद हो रही है. Doors are closing. दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं. Doors are closing. कृपया अपना सारा सामान अपने साथ ले जाना न भूलें।
വാതിലുകൾ അടയുന്നു.
दरवाजे बंद हो रहे हैं। Doors are closing. कृपया ट्रेन में पूरी तरह से रुकने के बाद ही सावधानी से उतरें। Please deboard carefully. Only after the train has come to a complete halt.
നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും നിങ്ങളുടെ കൈവശമുള്ളതായി ദയവായി ഉറപ്പാക്കുക. ഇന്ത്യൻ റെയിൽവേയിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്തതിന് നന്ദി. തുറന്നു.
ടിക്കറ്റ് എടുക്കാൻ സ്റ്റേഷനിലേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഭാവിയിലേക്ക് ഒരു ടിക്കറ്റ് എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന കാര്യമാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്.
യാത്രക്കാരുടെ ശ്രദ്ധയ്ക്ക് ട്രെയിൻ നമ്പർ 1720 കോട്ടയം വഴി തിരുവനന്തപുരം വരെ പോകുന്ന സെക്കൻഡറാബാദ് തിരുവനന്തപുരം ശബരി എക്സ്പ്രസ് 5ാമത്തെ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിലേക്ക് അല്പസമയത്തിനുള്ളിൽ
എത്തിച്ചേരുന്നത്. യാത്രികർ कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 17230 सिकंदराबाद तिरुवनंतपुरम शबरी एक्सप्रेस थोड़ी ही देर में प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5 पर आएगी. For the kind attention of passengers, train number 17230 Secunderabad Thiruvananthapuram Shatabdi Express will arrive shortly on platform number 5.
അതെ, ഞങ്ങൾ വിദേശ കോറുകളിൽ നിന്ന് ബ്ലോക്കുകളിൽ സ്വന്തം പാക്കേജിലെ പ്രോസസ് ചെയ്യും. ഇടവിലക്കാരെ കമ്മീഷൻ ഒഴിവാക്കി കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിന് നേരിട്ട് നൽകും.
195 രൂപ മുതൽ 298 രൂപ വരെയുള്ള 100-ലധികം ഡിസൈനുകൾ കൂടാതെ മറ്റ് നിരവധി കളക്ഷനുകളും ഇറ്റാലിയൻ മാർബിൾ നേരിട്ട് ഇറക്കുമതി ചെയ്യുന്ന കേരളത്തിലെ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്ഥാപനം.
നിർമ്മിക്കാൻ 50 പോയിന്റ്